Hundreds of miles of British coastline could soon be underwater, submerged by rising sea levels over the next 30 years, homes and businesses lost. The seafront setting is the main selling point of this cafe in Weston-super-Mare, but for the owner, it's now the biggest threat to the future of her business.
It's worrying from an insurance point of view because obviously you find it harder to get insurance if waters rise, and also, in sort of 20, 30 years' time, maybe none of this will be here.
It's a reality being faced by owners of almost 200,000 properties around England's coasts. The damage caused by climate change could already have been done. We're being warned that significant sea level rise by the 2050s is almost inevitable, even if emissions are now cut rapidly. That's because sea levels respond relatively slowly to changes in global temperatures. It means homes being built and bought now could need to be abandoned even before the mortgage is paid off. People need to start planning for an uncertain future, according to this latest research.
It will always be a case of collaboration between the local communities, the local authority and national government to think through exactly where we can protect and how we protect. But what we're saying here is that we really need to start that conversation because it takes a long time for things to change and people need clarity on that direction of travel. And where it isn't possible to protect the community, we need to support them.
It wasn't something Ian and his wife Narissa even thought about when they retired to Somerset to live by the sea. But now they're worried.
Doubt the house insurance would cover it. It would be our children selling it because I don't think it'll be in our lifetime, so it will be our children. And I would worry about that, yes. I don't know what they could do.
All we do know is our coastlines are changing, and that change will have consequences for people who call these places home. Becky Johnson, Sky News on the North Somerset coast.